This is Jamaica Good Life. No, wow. We're cooking with Mr. W. What is this you're cooking? Plantains.
Plantains, yam.
Plantains, yam. And you're steaming.
Cabbage, carrots.
Wow.
Tomatoes.
Do you put water in the cabbage when you're steaming it? Not much.
No, just a little bit. Just a little, steep a little. Then mix it on water.
Ah, and you have fever grass tea. Can I get some of the fever grass tea, please?
Sure.
I would love that.
Sure.
You know, I'm gonna check in back later. When you're ready to eat it, I want to eat some. Thank you. Notice you have some sweet sop. You have some pine. You have a nice pawpaw fruit basket. How are you loving it here in Jamaica now that you are retired?
Wonderful.
You love it?
Wonderful.
How is your health now that you're retired? Your health. How does Jamaica change your health?
Less pain, less everything. Less pain, less no problem at all. Relax and do what I gotta do.
And you have medical condition, but it improves it like 80%?
Like
80%.
Yeah, definitely.
So for retiring, for people who didn't buy a house yet, what do you say to those who want to retire? They watch YouTube all the time. All they see is crime, right? And they have to deal with family and stuff. What's your technique for not dealing with people and getting your business done and your house together? What are your techniques? Some of them.
Techniques is that you come here and you do what you have to do. Mind your own business and eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and look after your own food. Not too much fast food.
Oh, you know, when you're cooking this, you need to call me, because this is what I'm about.
Okay.
There's no selfish in here.
No, that's not okay.
You gotta call me every time you cook this. Drive by the house and just make sure I have a container.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy a couple of containers with my name on it. I'm Jamaica Good Life, so I'm gonna put stickies on them because I like how you cook, Mr. W.
Okay.
Now I eat from a lot of people all over the world. Some people send me licky licky and yummy yummy, but since people love me so much, and I come into your kitchen for the first time, and I like to check people's fridge and see what they have in them fridge. This is the refrigerator check with Jamaica Good Life. Oh, look at this. Mr. W fridge has some nice things. See that? Oh, he has, what do you call this? What do you call this one again?
Oh, that's custard apple.
Him have custard apple, him have sorrel. This is what it looks like being retired. Of course, he has to have a red stripe in there. Whoa, sugar cane for those who are afraid of a Jamaica. You don't want to be afraid. Oh, almond. And the crackers, the wheat crackers, he has some of that. So I want to do a fruit check. Boom, he got fruits here. And you know, there's no processed stuff. Mr. W has a natural refrigerator. And him have some fish with him steam up. I'm going to check Mr. Mac's fridge one day. So I'm going to start my videos again and do fridge check in Jamaica. So this is Jamaica Good Life. And we're going to start a show named The Retirees. Okay? Because people, this is the Jamaica Good Life coffee. He has one of them. I forgot to drink some of my coffee, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Let me tell you something. I do so much. You know, when you do so much for people, you know, do for yourself. Yeah, so I'm going to start drinking some coffee. But anyway, people, so like he says, if you're going to retire, and I love the tiles on your wall, by the way.
Yeah.
Love your, oh, he has a Vitamix. Now, people, I always tell you about a Vitamix spender. For health, be a big spender. Get yourself a Vitamix blender. The 750 is the best. You buy this, the pocket in your barrel. So I love Mr. W's place. It's beautiful. And they're retired. So again, take care of yourself. We're waiting for the dinner. How do you make it?
We just lemon juice and the ripe pimento seeds. You put them in and let them
Ferment.
ferment.
Lemon juice, ripe pimento seeds. About a pound of pimento seeds.
No, more than that. Or 2-3 pounds of tomato.
And then that's it, right?
Yeah, but then when they ferment down, then you strain it and add your other ingredients like the
All right, one love.
other stuff.
Beautiful. This bench.
It was actually made by a carpenter here.
Really? About how much you pay for this bench?
I don't remember the actual price then. I'm making money, man, be able to tell you this.
But I love it.
So look.
Because you
come without chairs. Is it those chairs? One.
It come and
chair
then I
one.
saw this chair, and I'm looking at this chair, and I'm like, wait a minute, how did you get the design? Or this is a big chair, my brother. And you
Really
guys,
big.
you guys really sit in this?
Yes, man. There's no problem with that. The other one is somewhere in here, somewhere. No color.
So then, this bench, if you were to purchase this, oh my gosh,
This actually custom made because I tell them how to make it.
this is beautiful. This is very expensive if you were to purchase this.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
I think I want to copy the designs.
Strong.
Because let me tell you something. You see this? I want this to be 7 feet for me. And you could sleep in it too.
Yeah, the sleeping tree.
And then the cool thing about designing like this, like you're doing a couch, I mean, I have my style, you know. So basically, it's really a simple vibe, you know. It just has a base. That's 1, 2, 3 base, boom. And then you have your connector to your base. And then the 12 parts round. That's beautiful.
Heavy.
That's beautiful, man. This is, and to have this in your kitchen, it's the first kitchen I've ever seen with like a bench like this. Yeah. And this furniture was designed by this person too?
Yeah.
So you trust this person?
Yeah.
Are they doing more work?
They know that they stopped working now because they have arthritis and that.
Did they do cupboards?
The same person built this cupboard. Who made that? Built the cupboards and everything in the kitchen.
Nice. And the stove, you purchased it locally. Did you bring it in?
No, local.
Nice. And the tiles. So so he's stopped working. Now with the JamaicaHealthBox.com, we could help with the arthritis, you know? So let him reach out to us. Okay. All right. This is Randy Pottinger for Returnees. It's a new series on Jamaica Good Life where we check people's pot and make sure the fires are good and eat their food. So this is fever grass. So let me get some of that and I will be on my way to the next house. Okay, people, this is Jamaica Good Life. See the food here. Man cooking faster than woman cooking. Woman cooking is more nurturing and loving. Man cooking a fast love. When we are cooking in a kitchen, food all like this shouldn't take me more than 30 minutes. Food not take more than 30 minutes to cook. Then you cook out too much out of it. And plant enough to boil if it's steam. All food must steam. Because everything boils out in the water. Okay? Steamed cabbage. This is amazing. This is curry steamed cabbage, people. From Mr. W's house. I saw returning residents live. How amazing this is. Well, this is what you call health. Cabbage, the great thing about it, the fermentation. With some carrots, natural seasoning. I wonder if he put any like... Mr. W, great work. I love what you're doing here. This is amazing. You didn't put any kind of fake seasoning in it, right? All natural?
Right. You know what we have in there? We have the leaf thyme. Leaf thyme. Onion.
People, the food almost done. I never know say salmon in it. Hey! So Mr. W made salmon curry cabbage with pumpkin?
Different from what is for your
Let me tell you something.
Salmon or a tuna?
Salmon.
Let me tell you something. This, my brother, me give you a nice 5-star. Me say this, if
Let me
let me tell you something. You don't understand what I said to you. Can you look like hockey? So when me see the place, say, yeah, me I go eat some ackee now. But me never know say salmon in it. So this is the first time I ever eat salmon curry cabbage, right?
Mm-hmm.
So where did you get it from? Grandmother, or you came up with it?
I created it.
Long time ago?
Yeah, because I make it up there. I make it in New York.
This is lovely. And you know one thing I like about your cooking? It's balance. I don't think you hardly use no salt.
And the other thing is this too. The special type of curry. One the can.
In the can. Curry.
This is the one I use up there and it's very, very good.
This one out here is good and but not like the one.
The canned curry from what country?
It's in a can from Guyana.
Guyana. So you use the Guyana curry, not even Jamaican.
Guyana curry.
Because it tastes a little bit different. It's smooth. It's smoother.
Yeah.
All right, people. I'm gonna try this one.